boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing rhyming words. Today I'm going to say 2 words and you're going to copy the 2 words. And you're going to hear the rhyming words and you'll start to say rhyming words to make it even better. So when we're in person, you'll make up your own rhyming words. So for example, rhyming words are words that have the same sound at the end of the word. So we have pig, wig. Pig, ig, wig, ig. Both words end with I, g. Those words rhyme. Listen. Hop, mop. You're going to say hop, mop. Ran, fan. Your turn. Ran. Very good. Wet, jet. Your turn. You're just practicing saying rhyming words. Let's say some more. Mad, dad. I don't know if that's what your dad looks like. Mad, dad, rhyme. They have the ad sound at the end. Mouse, house.
House.
Yum, gum. Red, bed. Go, no. Fake, snake. Sip, lip. Okay, so if you did not understand that, you're just copying me. So Ian is my helper. This is my son. Come on the camera. Say these words. Hop, mop.
Hop, mop.
Ran, fan. He's just copying the words, and that's all you will do. So you get used to hearing words that rhyme. Go ahead and copy my video. I want to hear you talking to your screen, which is so silly. Or your moms and dads need to hear you talking to your screen. And that is it. That'll take you 2 minutes today. And I know you can do it. Have a great day.